Hi-ho, 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 it's off to work we go.
For generations, our family has known that by striking a balance with Mother Nature, we can grow the most delicious fruit in Ireland. David Keeling here. Welcome to our farm. We've come a long way since our humble beginnings, over 90 years ago. So let's go take a look around. With the mild Irish climate, we can't rush growing. The very best berries take time. Irish berries are unrivaled. Just one more reason to be proud to be Irish. And it's a real privilege to be here at the heart of it all. Our family farm may be best known for our strawberries, but we've lots more growing here. Everyone has a favourite berry, but the dedication and commitment of our growers can be tasted in the fruits of their labour. Here, our growers and our unsung heroes, the humble bee, are busy working so that you can enjoy our delicious berries. We are always innovating to extend the Irish growing season, and here in our glasshouse we are growing Irish strawberries 10 months of the year. Our growers and pickers inspect each berry individually, so only the best berries make the journey from our farm to your local store. All of this care and attention helps ensure that every Keelings punnet is filled with that unbeatable taste. Seeing the smiles on the faces of our customers makes it all worthwhile. Thank you for taking this virtual tour. I hope you enjoyed taking in all of the sights here in our Keelings farm.